service in Chicago
Flash flood
has
warning.
issued a flash flood warning for Central Cook County in
Second one
northeastern
today.
Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall with rates up to 2 inches per hour. Flooding is expected to begin shortly after the onset of heavy rainfall. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Naperville, Cicero, Bolingbrook, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Romeoville, Woodridge, Midway Airport, Austin, South Lawndale, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Bridgeport, West Town and Chicago Loop. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.